Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, exercise 5.2, question 1, sub question 1 to 5. The question is fill in the blanks. We have to fill the blank. You have been given value of A is 7, value of D is 3, N is 8. You have to find AN. You have to find the nth term. To find the nth term, we'll put the formula. To find the nth term, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, the value of A is what? 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. So, we get 7 plus 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. So we get 28. So value of N is 28. So the blank is filled with 28. So now the first one has been done. We'll go to the second one. The second one, value of A is minus 18. D we need to find. N is 10. N is 0. The same formula, AN formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is AN? AN is 0. A is minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into D. So 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9D. So I will flip the equation. Minus 18 plus 9D is equal to 0. Now transpose minus 18 to the right side. 9D is equal to 18. I'll divide both sides with 9. So 9D by 9 is equal to 18 by 9. So 9 got cancelled there. D is equal to 9 2s are. So D is equal to 2. The value of D is 2. So we will fill the blank now. Value of D is 2. Third sum, A, you have to find A, D is minus 3, N is 18, AN is minus 5. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. The value of AN is minus 5. So minus 5 is equal to A, we have to find out, plus N is what? 18. 18 minus 1 into D is minus 3. D is minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 minus 5 is equal to A. No. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 51. Minus 51. So now I will flip the equation. A minus 51 is equal to minus 5. So transpose minus 51 to the right side. So A will be equal to minus 5 plus 51. A is equal to 46. The value of A is 46. Now fill the blank. 46. So this also is done. Coming to the fourth sum. In the fourth sum, A is minus 18.9, D is 2.5, N we need to find. AN is 3.6. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 3.6. So 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 minus 18.9 plus N, you have to find out. So N minus 1 into D is 2.5. D is 2.5. So 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9. Now we have to multiply 2.5 with N and 2.5 with minus 1. So 2.5 into N we get plus, we can put a bracket like this. .5 into N is 2.5 N minus 2.5 into minus 1 minus 2.5. Now I can open the bracket. 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9, plus into plus is plus. So plus 2.5 N, plus into minus is minus, minus 2.5. So now 3.6 is equal to, now if you solve these two numbers, we have to add and put minus. So we'll get minus 21.4 minus 21.4 plus 2.5 minus 21.4 plus 2.5n. Now I will flip the equation. Minus 21.4 plus 2.5n is equal to 3.6. I'll transpose minus 21.4 to the right side. So 2.5n is equal to 3.6 plus 21.4. So we get 2.5n is equal to 25. We will get 25. I will divide both sides with 2.5. So 2.5n by 2.5 is equal to 25 by 2.5. This got cut here. So what we get? N is equal to 25 by 2.5. So now we can't divide a number with a decimal number, we can't divide. So we have to remove this point. So what I am doing, I will shift the point one place towards right, and here I'll add 1 0 here. So n will be equal to 250 by 25. You can see here I have shifted the point one place towards right. So here I have to add 1 0 there. So then I'll get n will be equal to, if I divide, I'll get 10. The value of n is 10. So I'm going to fill the gap now, this blank now. The value of n is 10. Now coming to the last one, fifth. The fifth one, A is 3.5, D is 0, N is 105. We need to find AN. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN we have to find out. AN is equal to, A is what? 3.5 plus N is what? 105 minus 1 into D is what? 0. D is 0. So AN is equal to 3.5. Now 0 into, okay, plus 104 into 0. Okay. Now AN is equal to 3.5 because 0 into 104 is whole thing becomes 0. So AN is 3.5. If we fill the gap now, 3.5. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.